with your forecast update here in Phoenix. I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Jared Heil. Hot weather is the story for the next several days to come, and a little bit of rain in a few spots across Arizona. But as you can see here on satellite imagery, many areas saw a lot of sunshine today across the lower deserts. Up toward the rim and points north and east, that's where we had a few garden variety showers and storms, but the coverage today was less than it was yesterday, so we didn't see that big outflow boundary push into the valley this evening like we saw last night. The heat has really been shared across much of the south and the west. Take a look at the plains. 111 Hill City, Kansas, 110 in Austin. Austin's high of 110 on your Sunday. That was tying the hottest ever July temperature for that city. 118 in Death Valley and 113 here in Phoenix. Looking ahead to tomorrow, even hotter temps, up to 115 on our forecast high, and that's why we currently have an excessive heat warning in effect for your Monday in all those areas on the map there on your screen. That includes Phoenix, Yuma, El Centro, Blythe, Gila Bend, for example, all of those locations under the excessive heat warning. High temps 110 to 115 across the warning area, and in the metro area, Phoenix, we've got these really warm nights because of the urban heat island effect. Kind of focusing on that a little bit more here for you, you can see that we're expecting low temperatures to be at or above 90 degrees tonight, tomorrow night, and if that does occur, that will give us consecutive hours 24 to 48 of temperatures exceeding 90 degrees, and during the daytime hours with us reaching above 110, you're talking 14, 15, 16 hours consecutively up till around midnight, where you're seeing those temperatures stay above 100 degrees. So not just the extent of the heat, how high the temperatures are, but the duration of the heat and not much relief at night. That's what adds danger to this heat wave. So be mindful of that over the next several days, especially here in the urban heat island of Phoenix, where we just cannot drop off very much at night because of the concrete and asphalt all around the city. Temperature trends over the next several days. Yeah, Monday sticks out, 115, but after that point, it's still going to be hot, 110 to 112 for the next several days to come. And despite the fact we have opportunities for a little more moisture to work back into the picture, the rain coverage is not going to be high enough in the lower deserts yet to really drop those temperatures quite yet. Talking about the moisture, dew points today were in the 50s this morning. They dropped into the 40s, and over the next couple of days, dew points will probably be in the 40s again and then rise toward the mid and upper 50s later in the week. So that gives you the indication that we are seeing a little more moisture entering the pattern. And take a look here. You can see certainly that the high pressure staying in place and just to our north will allow a little bit of southeasterly flow and some additional moisture from the Gulf of Mexico to start working into the picture later this week. So that will give us rain chances around 20% in Phoenix by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's actually beyond that time toward next Sunday and Monday when we're most interested for maybe a little better coverage of showers and storms. But again, that's about 7 or 8, maybe even 9 days away. In the meantime, you can see on the precip chart here, this is the rainfall forecast for the next 7 days. Many areas have the shot at seeing some isolated showers and storms, but concentrated heavy rainfall is going to be very isolated in nature and not widespread at all during the work week to come. Despite the fact that rain chances go up a little bit, it is not going to be something everyone sees. But talking about beyond the 7-day and the week 2 time frame, the heat dome expands to the east, a little more moisture in the pattern across the 4 corners, and maybe even temperatures dropping slightly below normal toward mid-July. That would be a nice thing to have, of course. So we'll be watching for that and keeping you updated on that forecast during the week, and hopefully you all can stay cool out there and stay safe in this heat. In the meantime, have a great night.